It's Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your gray screen on your Android phone. This is just under your accessibility options, so we can go to settings right here, scrolling down and look for accessibilities. So I can see mine right here, and then we might want to go into where it says vision enhancements. Yours might be a little bit different, but there's a setting in here causing your gray screen. So it could be under color filter, color correction probably. So we can go on down and you can see grayscale is one of those options. So if you want to turn on grayscale right here, you can go back now. This is what my phone looks like with grayscale on. So this might be like an e-reader kind of look to it. So it's under that accessibility option, and you can get other colors on here too if you don't want just gray. So just go to your vision enhancements and you can turn this on or off very easy. So that's color correction. Otherwise you have color filter right here. So you can probably go to a gray one under here. I don't see gray listed. I have green, maybe can, whatever that means. So we can just turn this off. Yep, definitely don't want that on. But go and look at those as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.